Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, and the date is the 18th of November. And I'm getting prepared a little early today for the upcoming day. Now, I'm looking right now at the ES, which is the S&P futures. And let's take this is the 25-minute. Let's just take a quick look up here at the daily. And the daily is up. You see this little down bar yesterday? We had a little bit of a pause. The daily is, looking like it's going to try to go again. If you notice, we made that big high here when Pfizer first announced their vaccine. And it's pushed, it's been in a kind of a range since then with the upward bias. But the interesting thing to note is the struggle here. It's like it's stuck. Like you can see here, when it rallies, you see how it goes straight up like that, or comes straight down, or these kind of moves like this going up. We're kind of stuck here. I'm looking for, and I've been saying this for the last few days, that I'm looking for this pullback into here. And I think it's going to be a sharp one, kind of like this angle, like that when it happens. Not sure when it's going to happen, but it's going to happen. In the meantime, I do option strategies, so I'm okay with the market drifting up. It just allows me to build my position a little bigger. And I got a message yesterday from somebody who's been following me on probably LinkedIn. Maybe it was here too, or Stock Twits. I'm not sure. These videos go out to a lot of different places, but they asked me what strategies I do, what option strategies. And I do strategies based on what I think is going to happen direction wise, but also where the volatility is. And if you look here, let's go to the volatility. That's the VIX. You see this? Let me put a different moving average on here too. I like to we'll just put a 20-day. That's a 200 that's up there now. Moving average. Okay. Okay, this is the 10-day right here, or 9-day. Let's do a 20-day. There we go. So price, or it always likes to get to the 20. If you watch the VIX, it likes to ride the 20, and the 20 is way above. 29 on the VIX is where the 20 is, and we're down to 22. That's a lot. So I'm looking for an increase in volatility, and I'm just looking for it to come back into the 20. In order for that to happen, I'll go to the SPY, which is what I actually trade, and that's the 20-day moving average on the actual SPY. So the volatility is low, and I think we're going to have a pullback. So what I'll do is like ratio back spreads. I have some put ratio back spreads on the SPY right now, and I adjust them as the market moves higher. I adjust it. I always want to be in a neutral type position each day. I don't want to be leaning one way or another as each day. So that way, if it does go, up, down, up, down, up, down, I'm booking little profits while I'm waiting for that move. So to answer the question of the person who asked what strategies do I use, well, in this particular situation, I'm using ratio back spreads because the volatility is relatively low, and I'm expecting it to go higher. If you have any questions about that, you can always hit me up on LinkedIn. I do return messages.